Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
他
Watch my pronunciation.
他 t a 他 他们他们是可爱的小鸟。它们是可爱的小鸟。他的狗喜欢追着它的尾巴。狗喜欢追着它的尾巴。他日若有机会定来中国。他日若有机会定来中国。
Now let's see how to write this character. This character originally meant snake. Later, the ancients created a new character to represent snakes, and this character gradually came to refer to poisonous insects, strange creatures, and other reptiles. It is now mainly used to refer to animals, objects, and all kinds of things. It is a basic third-person pronoun in Chinese. The upper part should be a little wider. This part should be finished in one single stroke. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.